If you've been charged with drunk driving in the City of Ann Arbor, your case will be heard at the 15th District Court with Judge Burke. Judge Burke handles all drunk driving cases in the City of Ann Arbor. The prosecutor in your case will either be the Washington County Prosecutor's Office or the City of Ann Arbor. This is determined by the police agency. For example, if the City of Ann Arbor Police Department was the department involved, the City of Ann Arbor will be the prosecutor. If the University of Michigan Police Department, the Sheriff's Department, or the Michigan State Police are involved, it will likely be a Washington County prosecutor's case. This is assuming it's a first offense. All second and third offenses will go to the Washington County Prosecutor's Office. For a drunk driving case, all of my clients undergo what I call a proactive program from day one. If you've been arrested and charged with drunk driving, even if your case is ultimately dismissed or reduced, you are still in a situation where a police officer and a prosecutor both proceeded as if you were breaking the law as a drunk driver. It's time to take a step back. It's time to reassess your decision-making process. What I've developed is the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. In this playbook, I go through my proactive plan. All drunk driving cases have specific things that my clients do from day one. It may mean going to AA meetings, seeing a counselor, being screened and assessed, community service work, daily alcohol testing, drug testing. What I tell clients is that we do a sprint now in order to avoid the marathon later. The judge and the prosecutor only know one thing about you, is that right now you're a dangerous drunk driver, someone who's out on the roads, who was arrested for drunk driving. What we need to do is show that this was an isolated moment in time, at worst, your worst moment in your life, but you've already learned from it. Show what you've done in the past. Show what you're doing in the future. Show who you really are. Are you this dangerous drunk driver who's not to be trusted on the streets and may need to go to jail? The answer is most likely not. You're someone with a job, someone with a family, and someone who's a responsible person. What I talk about in my book is how we change the story of your case from the dangerous drunk driver to the isolated moment in time. All drunk driving cases in Michigan have different options. Depending upon the facts of your case may go to trial, your case may have an evidentiary hearing to challenge some of the evidence, or we may be able to resolve your case in a favorable way where we keep your driver's license and keep you out of jail. So I encourage you to go on Amazon.com, look at my book, review my book, look at my past client reviews on the internet, look at my website, look at my videos, learn more about me, learn more about the 15th District Court, learn more about the process. Once you've learned about that, contact me about your specific case. If you're watching this video and someone you love or care about is the one charged with drunk driving, feel free to contact me on their behalf. Then I can talk to them personally. I look forward to helping you with your case. Drunk driving cases are very complicated, especially at the 15th District Court in Washington County. So I encourage you to learn more about everything and to head in a positive direction. The worst moment is already over. You have the power now to be positive and to resolve your case in a manner that you're satisfied.